this as we go into Monday and Tuesday.
Yeah, we're locked in a pattern with a big trough in the eastern U.S., and so those storm tracks coming down across that area, as long as there's cold air in place, guys, we're going to get snow out of that. We got another clipper system. We've been talking about this one, yet another. And this one, we're going to start out west here from Denver, running through Chicago, and then move eastward. Here's what's going on right now. There's a large swath of snow just north of that I-70 corridor in here. And if we take a look at the visibilities here, visibility's down to a half mile. I actually saw a couple of quarter-mile reports in here as well. So we're going to pick up a couple of inches of snow pretty quickly here going into the early part of the morning. Another Arctic front here moves through. It drops right through the area as we go through the day today. And as we do in Denver, the wind shifts to a northeasterly direction here. The Rockies front range located right there. So we're going to have something called upslope flow there, enough lift in the atmosphere to produce a period of snow in Denver. Then this high builds in. This high brings the colder air back into the region and it dries conditions out. As we go, we take a quick look here at the total snowfall, 1 to 3 inches across this area, but it's enough that's going to slicken up roadways because of the temperatures being well below the freezing mark. Denver, 29 degrees with the snow today. Look what happens, though. This is what I love about that area to the lee or the east of the Rockies. By tomorrow, 61 degrees and plenty of sunshine, so get ready in Denver. If we take a look here at the snow as it continues to move eastward here on the radar, it is going to work its way into the Chicago area as we get into the morning. Not a lot of snow here, probably picking up an inch or so, and then it works its way eastward here into the Great Lakes region from Cincy to Pittsburgh up through Buffalo as we get into tonight. Finally, overnight tonight and into tomorrow, yes, we do get snow in the New York to Boston area, but it's not going to be anything like the storms we've had over the past few days. Take a quick look here at the snowfall again. Right into Chicago, you can see they're just on the northern edge here, but this area, 3 to 5 inches, is going to make for some rough travel later today from St. Louis to Indy over through Cincinnati. And again, in the northeast here, the heavier snows are going to be located to the north of New York and Boston, up and through interior New York State, interior New England, where you could see on average about 3 to 5 inches of snow. And take one more look here. I think we may have Chicago, because what's interesting is look at your temperatures here, guys, as you go through tonight and into tomorrow morning. Yeah, by tomorrow morning, you get the sun back out, but it's 3 degrees below zero, so that cold air stays locked in. When I come back, we're going to detail the Northeast and why this system that we're forecasting is not as intense as what we earlier thought. I'll send it back to you.